Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using this recovery menu. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to turn on your, or rather not turn on, turn off your watch. And to turn it off, press and hold the lower button, keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen. And once you see the power menu, tap on the power off option and wait until the watch is done turning off. After the watch turns off, you will need to press and hold the lower button and the upper button together. Press and hold them together and keep holding them until you see the Xiaomi logo on the screen or the fast boot mode or bootloader pops up on the screen. So let's press and hold both buttons, keep holding them. And after a second or two, you should see the bootloader pop up on the screen, and that's how it looks like. And basically what we can do is to move through this menu, through the options, scroll through them by pressing the upper button. As you can see, we can scroll through the options, and what we want to do is to select the recovery mode option. And once you select the recovery mode, you can press the lower button to confirm, and the watch will boot into recovery mode. So let's wait. And here we have it. And again, to scroll through this menu, you use the upper and the middle button to scroll up and down. And to select the options, you press the lower button. Now, what we need to do is to scroll down, select the wipe data / factory reset, then press the lower button. Here we need to scroll down, select factory data reset, press the lower button, and wait until the wiping process is complete. And after it's done, select the reboot system now option, so scroll down and then press the lower button. And let's wait until the watch is done rebooting and erasing the data completely. And once you see the let's go message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.